If you are looking for a tool to compress your video without compromising on the quality, then this video is for you. Subscribe for such productivity tutorials and optimize your workflow with confidence. So with me, I have the large sized video. Show you the size that it has. See the properties. You can see that it has taken 43 MBs in my disk space. And now I want to reduce this video to about 20 MBs, but it will be of the same quality as the original one. So I'll show you a very amazing tool that I use to compress my videos. I'll open Handbrake. The name of the tool is called Handbrake. After opening it, I need to drop in my video. Make sure you download the tool with the link in the description below. So I'll drop my video here. At a moment of being scanned, it will show you a preview of how the video looks like. It's just a thumbnail. For here, you just need to tick here. Since I'll be posting it on YouTube and this is the web version, I need to tick that it is web optimized. For the preset, leave it at default, 1080 pixels, 30 fps. Okay. After that, you need to go to the video section, make it a constant frame rate, and then choose the same as source so that it retains the frame rate without losing quality. Now on this section, encoder options preset, you need to go with the slower or slowest, and I think for the RF you need to go with 22. The more the RF more than 22, the more the video will take the storage. Okay, so you have to be optimum with the settings that you are putting in here. And then I'll browse where I need to output my video after it is being compressed. It's my desktop, and then reduce video size, and then I'll call it. I'll save. And then if you need to add another video, okay, let's say I drop this video. Now on this page as it is, you need to drop a video as it is, the window, the Handbrake window. Before I actually drop it, I need to add to queue. Maybe you have a ton of videos that you need to compress at once. Add to queue, and then now bring in the video here. Drop another video here. So you'll do the same as the first video. Check the summary, make sure that it is the settings are the same. The summary, everything's okay, and you actually need to modify the summary and the video part of it. This encoder, RF, and same as source. Okay, those are all the settings that you need to put in, and then you'll add to queue. And now my queue has small sized and intro sized. I want to start my queue, so you need to start queue, and then this video will be compressed. After that, this other video will be compressed, and this will happen automatically. And I'll show you the preview of how the videos will look like after they are compressed. So it has taken about 10 minutes for the two videos to be compressed and done. And basically, if you want to compress your video, you simply just have to come to the summary, tick all the options that you want here, and then you go to the video, make sure the settings are okay. If you have one video only, you just hit the start encode button, and then it will start to encode. Otherwise, if you have multiple files, you need to add to queue and then add the video directly. In this state, the Handbrake window is. So I have the two videos. I want to compare the sizes and see the difference and even the quality. Okay, you can see the property, and for the small sized, let me see the properties. So let's compare the two. We have a video that was that had taken 483 MBs and is now 8.5 MBs. Imagine, with this amazing tool called Handbrake. It's a software that is available for Windows and Mac, and even I think for Linux. I put the link in the description below, and you can see the difference that it makes. And let's see the videos and see the qualities. In this tutorial, we will be unveiling an incredible. You can see the quality is amazing. Okay, let's go to the small sized video. In this tutorial, you can see there's no much change. Actually, there's no change. You can see that there's actually no change. The words are visible, as you can see. Everything is okay. The size is the one that has only reduced. This tool will save your time and optimize your workflow. That is why you need to follow us.